Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, one of my all-time favorite watches from an all-time great brand. This is a 200-piece limited edition in platinum launched for the 2023 model year from Cartier. This is the Santos-Dumont XL, a watch that is based on the original pilot's watch, Cartier's first wristwatch, and one of the first wristwatches of any kind. The original created in 1904 for dirigible pilot, that is airship pilot Alberto Santos-Dumont of Brazil. Before fixed wing, heavier than air aviation, he piloted airships, and these were big, cantankerous machines. You needed both hands to operate them. So resorting to your pocket to grab your pocket watch was not possible. A watch that could be worn on the wrist and viewed with a hand firmly on the tiller or the power controls was required. So Louis Cartier created this Santos for his friend, a watch that could be worn on the wrist. Again, the first Cartier wristwatch, one of the first wristwatches of any kind, and undoubtedly the first pilot's watch, but for an airship. Now, what makes this special is this 200-piece edition is ultra thin, mechanically powered. It features semi-precious stone Jasper on the dial, and it is platinum with a ruby cabochon on the crown. It's not big. I measure it from side to side, 34 millimeters. It's slim at 7.7 millimeters thick, thanks to the Piaget manual wind movement. From lug tip to lug tip, 46.6 with a 19 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now, when I throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, it wears beautifully. A man can wear this, a woman can wear it. It is perfect. It's flat. It'll fit under any cuff. It's not broad across the wrist. 13.5 centimeter circumference wrists. Don't be fooled by the XL label that Cartier assigns to this watch. You can wear this on a small wrist. The strap is very substantial, and you can see it's snugged up right against the case. So there's going to be a little bit of initial stiffness until the strap breaks in, but the idea is to show no daylight between strap and case. And you see Cartier uses a pull tab spring bar so you can quickly remove the strap without a tool. We have large rectangular symmetrical alligator scales on the top, indicative of a very expensive, high-quality cut of the beast. Semi-gloss finish. We've got a folded edge, a monotone stitch, calfskin on the bottom. We've got a lovely matching platinum pin buckle, which I love to see because some brands are now pairing platinum watches with white gold. And I'm happy to say there's a platinum pin buckle on this platinum watch. Santos-Dumont's signature is replicated on the back with engraving and red lacquer. Yes, it's mechanical. It has the 430P430 inside. So they call this the 430MC to pretend it's a Cartier movement. It's a Piaget movement, which is top of the line. Piaget is autologerie. This movement is manual wind, 3 hertz beat rate, 38-hour power reserve, 18 joules. It's thin, it's fine, it's a perfect match for this watch. We have a lovely rivet-style crown with a genuine ruby cabochon. You can see the bezel with the distinctive fixing screws of the Santos design. The case itself features a combination of satin and polish in ultra-white platinum, so though the watch is not big, it has a nice solid heft to it. A guilloche-style center, what Cartier calls apple-style hands. I call them breguet. Then if you look carefully, you can see these applique semi-precious Jasper stone Roman numerals, which are absolutely gorgeous. A watch that is singular, one of my all-time favorites from Cartier and one of the best Santos models of all time. It was part of a trio of precious metal, semi-precious stone numeral Cartier Santos-Dumont models launched in 2023, and I think this is easily the most desirable of them all. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.